Another day in the verse. Hey, what is going on, everybody? I hope everyone is doing well. Alright, so today I figured, you know what, might as well start doing some Wikelo missions, or just to see what it's all about. Things have changed a little bit. Yeah. So, first things first, let's do some Uber Eats for Wikelo. Alright, so I am gonna head over to Galleria. There are two items that he has requested. An ice cream and a smoothie, I guess. But hopefully the ice cream doesn't melt. Alright, so I gotta make my way over to the food court. Alright, it's on the other side. By the way, I am here on Port Tresler. Every station is going to be a little bit different, but for the most part, layout is more or less the same. Ooh, noodles. Alright, so first one, burrito. Getting distracted here. Okay, let's go ahead, see what we need to see. Okay, so we're going to go over here to contracts. Wikelo. Okay. Going to need the berry blend and the family fat-free ice cream. That one's going to be a little bit of a tricky one. Alright, so I accepted it. Now, the ice cream is right here. There's 4 of them. The one that we want is the back left corner, the white one. Sometimes it gets really tricky to try to get the screen to kind of highlight it. Oh, almost got it. Oh, dang it. Wrong. Okay, there we go. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy a whole bunch of these. Yeah, dude. You better be giving me a serious tip. And then for the berry smooth... What? The store used to be over here. Where the heck did it go? Or am I confusing for another station? Okay, it's not there. Where the heck is it? Oops. Ow, that was my shin. That's the burrito. Where the heck is it? Is it upstairs? Okay, noodle bar. I think it might be upstairs here. Let me... Maybe there might be here in the... What's over here? No. Okay, it's not there. Alright. Yeah. I think it's going to be upstairs. Again, this is Port Tresler. Every station is different. The layout's more or less the same, but the positioning of the stores is different. I think we should go left. Okay, the information station's right there. We got the pizzeria right here to the left. Where the heck is it? What's okay? That's the other set of stairs. Store coming. Ah, here we go. Juice bar. Sweet. Okay. So we want the berry blend, which is it's this one. Berry blend smoothies. I'm gonna grab a bunch of these as well. Okay. Now that we have the order for the Uber, let's go jump in the ship. Alright, I'm gonna make our way over to the closest Wikelo facility.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Yeah, dude, I got your food. I want to land. I want to place this order. Or deliver this order. Alright.
Landing complete.
Touchdown! Okay, I'm going to make my way over to the elevator over here. I guess I'm just putting the food on the floor. I don't know about that. I don't think it's sanitary. Whatever. Okay. Smoothie, ice cream. And now, gotta run back to the computer. Let's send the elevator down, and it should be completed. Yep, okay. And... yes, no, maybe so. Okay, there we go. Sweet. Alright, so now to like see the other missions. It's not in the Mobi-Glass anymore. But anyways, you can also check out the inventory. Sometimes there's stuff in here. But yeah, so instead of going to the Mobi-Glass and searching for the missions you want, you actually have to physically make your way over to one of the Wikelo facilities, make your way up these stairs, and go check out the Emporium. The Emporium's gonna have a lot of cool stuff there, like a lot of cool visual stuff, a lot of figurines. Wonder if CIG's ever gonna sell actual figurines. That'll be kind of cool. Anyways, getting off track. So let's say you want this gun. Well, check it out. Over here, it'll tell you now what you're gonna need. What you need to give to get it. And then if you want to accept it, you can go ahead and hit the interaction button. That will accept the mission, and then you'll get the update in your Mobi-Glass with what you need to do underneath contracts. So same thing with this one. If you want that gun, then here's the stuff that you need. So this is the new way of doing it. I like it, but at the same time, I kind of liked it more when it was in the Mobi-Glass. It was just more efficient. It was more friendlier, I guess you would say. It was just easier, more convenient. Ah, there it is. It's more convenient. But still, this is kind of cool where you gotta visit the place. It's more, I guess, realistic. But either way, this is now how it's done. So let's go ahead. Let's check out some of the stuff that we can get. Oh, this is the binoculars or the binoculars. No, it's not the singinoculars or whatever you call the one eyepiece. Okay. Yeah, it's just... honestly, this reminds me of a flea market. This is another cool one to have. But there's two. There's one with the Geo that you have to give in for a Geo. I guess where he retrofits as a Geo. And then the other one's the Atlas. But I wonder what the difference is between the two. Maybe one has thrusters and the other one doesn't? I think that's what it might be. Because I know the Geo has thrusters. And and just the regular Atlas does not have thrusters. Okay, next. Got another gun over there. Ooh, stairs. Oh, that's cool. The station. Alright, let's see what we got up here. Oh, that's a lot. Well, what do we got? We have the Zeus cargo. Okay. And again, if this is a ship that you want to get, you can get that Karenite. See, there's a problem going on with Karenite right now. And it's specifically because there's only one place to mine it. I heard that 4 Karenite apparently sold for like 2 billion space bucks or UAE credits. 2 billion. Yeah. And then that is absolutely ridiculous. My opinion, Karenite should not be specifically in one area, which is that you need the orbital laser to open up the ground. Okay, fine. If you're gonna want to do large numbers or bulk mining, okay, that's fine. But Karenite should be able to be found anywhere else in the verse, in all the verses, actually. My opinion. Then it'll bring down this whole player-to-player trading with ridiculous amount of numbers. That was nuts, man. Alright, we got some spacesuits, racetrack map, okay. That's kind of cool. Some more suits. What the heck is this? Golem rocks. Okay. Spirit. Okay. Nice. Ooh, a little bit of a glitch there. Or a stutter. Upgrades to Intrepid, Zoo Special, Fortune Ships. Okay. Another set of stairs. This is actually really cool. Like, the graphics visually, this looks friggin' bomb. Like, look at this. Look at it look really, really good. This is another reason why I love this game. Ah, here we go. That's what I want. Okay, what do we have here? We have the Prowler, Tortoise, new big Star Lancer ship. Okay, more than a max. That's interesting. Okay, yeah, so whatever ship you want to work on, you can go ahead, get close to it, and then you hit the interaction, which is the F key or whatever key that you set for that. And you'll get the list of everything that is required to complete this mission or to complete this. So that's what I want, Polaris. I like that. Need many things. Yeah, it's something like 26 items. Different types of items. Not like each item can be multiple pieces of that one item, but it's like, it's a lot. What I did was, oh, what's this? I want you to join the Navy. They kind of look like Chris Roberts. Anyways, we got a fish down there. All right, so that is it. We've come to the end of the Emporium. And yeah, so this is how things are now being done for the Wikelo favors. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Why don't you go ahead, think about subscribing. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that way you are notified every single time we release a new video. And if you like the video, why don't you go ahead, give us a thumbs up. It helps us with the algorithm. Until the next time, see you in the verse.